today we will discuss about the biological classification of the organisms, how they are classified based on the simple morphological characters. For that, the famous scientist Aristotle have classified it into two types, plants and animals. Simple classification. This is two kingdom classification, plants and animals. Plants include trees, herbs, shrubs. All the animals will come under animals, this group. So, two kingdom classification. Another scientist, Carolus Linnaeus, has classified it into two kingdom, that is Plantae, same type, Plantae and Animalia. This is also two kingdom classification on the basis of morphological, simple morphological characters. All the plants comes under Plantae, all the animals come under Animalia. So, another scientist, Ernst Haeckel, he classified it into three kingdom classification, that is Protista, Plantae and Animalia. This is three kingdom classification by the scientist Ernst Haeckel. One more class is included, that is Protista. So Protista means these are unicellular organisms, one cell, eukaryotic organisms. Eukaryotic means true nucleus is present. That is the eukaryotic organism. So Protista is unicellular and they are eukaryotic. That is the main characteristic feature of the Protista. This includes algae, amoeba and euglena. This type of organisms comes under Protista. So Protista is unicellular eukaryotic. This comes under the one class. Next is the Plantae, all the plants. Next is the Animalia, all the animals. Okay, so Haeckel classified it into three kingdom classification. Next is another scientist, Copeland, classified it into four kingdom. Again four kingdom came. Monera, Protista, Plantae and Animalia. That is four kingdom classification. Monerans, Protista, Plantae and Animalia. Copeland, scientist Copeland classified into four kingdom. And that what is this Monerans is all the bacteria type. Bacteria comes under Monerans, that is prokaryotic. Prokaryotic. Okay, prokaryotic. Eukaryotic means true nucleus is present. Prokaryotic means absence of nucleus. So Monerans, Protista, Plantae and Animalia. So Monerans means bacteria, all the bacteria. Protista means unicellular, eukaryotic organisms. Plantae, all the plants. Animalia, all the animals. So two kingdom came, three kingdom came, four kingdom came. Next comes the five kingdom classification which we are dealing with. Five kingdom classification. That is the famous scientist Whittaker classified it into five kingdom classification. That is five kingdom classification. What is that? Monera, Protista, new one came, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. That is the five kingdom classification by Whittaker. So fungi means all the saprophytic fungi. Monerans means bacteria. Protista means unicellular eukaryotic. Fungi, saprophytes. Plantae, autotrophs. Animalia, heterotrophs. So came the five kingdom classification by the scientist Whittaker. So different types of classifications are there. These five kingdom classification is on the basis of cell structure, how the cell is composed, body organization, how the body is organized, mode of nutrition, what type of nutrition, mode of reproduction, how they are interdependent, phylogenetic relationships between the organism. On the basis of all these types, Whittaker classified five kingdom classification which we are sticking now. We are sticking now to the five kingdom classification. Another kingdom classification is there, six kingdom classifications also there by the scientist Woos. But that comes, Monera is classified into two types, bacteria, that is ancient bacteria and now bacteria, eubacteria and the archaebacteria. So that is actually involved in the Monera, right? So we are classified it into one type. So five kingdom is easier than six kingdom. So we are sticking to 5 kingdom classification. So these are the different types of biological classification. Aristotle, 2 kingdom plants and animals on the basis of morphological characters. Carolus Linnaeus classified into Plantae and Animalia, the same type, 2 kingdom classification. Ernst Haeckel classified it into 3 kingdom classification, Protista, Plantae and Animalia. Protista is unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Copeland classified it into 4 kingdom classification, Monierans, Protista, Plantae and Animalia. Monierans is prokaryotic, that is bacteria coming under that group. Next comes the 5 kingdom classification by Whittaker, Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia, which we are dealing now, this kind of classification, that is fungi, saprophytes. Now we will see in the next video. Thanks.